Stay tuned to see how I got this purple hair. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, why don't you subscribe and join the family? All right, y'all, let's get into it. I was jamming, but I have been itching for some color. Life is too short to have boring hair. So I had my hair twisted already just from like washing and detangling. So I'm taking the twist out and I will be adding my favorite leave-in melanin hair care. You already know if you've watched any. I will be using ORS Color Blast in their color Dragon Fruit. So as it goes on, it's like bright pink, but as the days go on, it tends to look more purple. I kind of like that the color changes. It gives a nice little pop. But anyway, let's get into it. So I add the leave-in first because when I first did this, I realized that the hair wax is wax and gets hard. And so the leave-in adds like a nice base so that your hair is soft and bouncy when you're done. Since I was going for more of an ombre look, I'm focusing on the ends, but it's really a cute look all over. I have another video that I will leave in the description so you can check out this one. And the hair wax has a little bit of a hold in it, so you get some really nice definition when you take it out. You'll see, just keep watching. So I wanted to show you guys that it washes right off my hands, which is why I'm not using gloves. It also did not stain my shirt. If you use too much, then it does tend to flake. But as of right now, I'm shaking and moving my head and nothing is falling down. And when you're tired and don't want this color anymore, it washes right out on the first wash. Ooh, see that definition? And see how it looks purple here, but like some parts look pink? I like that. I just like the pop of color. Dyeing my hair without the concern of bleach or damage works for me. So I'm going to continue to separate and fluff. I am not worried about frizz. I'm kind of just taking each twist and where it separates, taking it apart because I want big hair, big colorful hair. So I'm going to keep doing this until I get my desired look. And you already know I'm using my scalp soother. If y'all have not, check this out. Order you one and use my code CurlsWithLove20 to save some money when you get it. It helped me fluff up my hair, add some height without any damage to the curls or core patterns. And as I told you before, y'all know I was jamming. So yes, I'm trying out the side part, but look at the color just on the tips, on the ends. Not too bright, but a little touch, a little highlight, a little fun. Like I said, life is too short for boring hair. Now I'm going to switch and let y'all see it in the good sunlight. Really see the color pop here and better lighting. I just love this look. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.